coming back, coming back. London Queen is coming back, our own daughter. London Queen is coming back, coming back, coming back. London Queen is coming back, our own daughter. London Queen is coming back, coming back, coming back. London Queen is coming back, our own daughter.
Wow, I'm very impressed with the way people came out en masse to welcome me to my father's land. I've missed my home. I'm so excited. Thanks, Uncle.
Yes, you're welcome. Adobodo Igbo. So, how was your journey?
It wasn't easy. I mean, being on flight for 6 hours and then landed immediately and then we just hit the road. It was hectic anyway.
The most important thing is that you arrived safely.
You're right, Uncle. You're right.
These are your servants. Yes, carefully selected by your PA Obiadada.
Oh, wow.
So they will be assisting in house chores.
Oh, that's good. Oh, wow. I feel like I'm in the UK. I mean, in UK I have a lot of them, you know, there's so many of them.
Yes.
So I'm glad that you have this for me. Okay. What are your names?
Chiamakama. I'm Chiwema.
I'm Ogechukuma.
I'm Ngozima.
Ah, okay. So, right, so I will be addressing you all later. Okay?
All right. Okay.
Sure.
Thank you, ma'am.
You can go now. Carefully trained.
Auntie, it's so good to be home.
So good.
I'm so happy.
Me, I'm so happy.
They're quite happy.
The Queen of London. The table is set.
Okay.
Have my.
This is lovely. Fruits just fresh and lovely.
Yeah.
Yeah. You don't get this in UK. You don't get it in London. Everything you eat in London is junk, you know? Except for the house of the Queen of England.
You mean you eat and dine with the Queen?
Of course. You know I dine with the Queen of England. I do that too. You know? Taste. Lovely. You know, when you get to the house of the Queen of England, you get all sorted. Don't worry. You and everyone is going with me to London to see the Queen of England. And also, you get to see London Bridge, Therefor Bridge, and all sorts of places. Beautiful places. You're gonna love it.
I can't wait.
I
can't wait. As you're talking now, I feel I'm in London already. Yeah, I can't wait to start eating and talking through my nose.
Get ready.
I am ready already.
Obadadai.
Madam Biko, Obiadada.
Obadadai. When we're done, you'll take me for sightseeing. I want to see the beautiful village, my hometown.
That won't be a problem. I can take you around anywhere you want to go in this village.
You sure?
I am for you.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
I will let people of this community to know that yes, we have a queen in our midst. I must make you proud. I will take you around. People must hail you.
Yeah.
They must feel your arrival.
Wow, this is really, really very nice.
I know.
Okay.
This one is called unere. Yeah, unere.
Okay. Okay.
Can you say it?
Nene.
Good. I like this unere. Hey, babe.
Lovely.
Lovely. Attention! Will you turn your back with immediate alacrity? Turn now! Chest out! By the left mark side! Hip! 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 Forward! March! Move it! Hiya! Move it! Move it! Move it! Move it! Don't stop! Move it! Move it! Keep going! Move! 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 Handle it! Move! 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 Move it!
Obadadai, you know what I like about you? You know how to do your job.
Oh.
Lovely. Excellent. Wonderful. I can't wait for you to go to London with me.
I can't wait too.
The police are just like you. When you see my servants, they're all at my beck and call, and that's how they do.
Wow.
Standing at attention. Nobody goes around them. Nothing happens without them. You're good. I like you very, very much.
Oh my God. I thank you for the compliment. Thank you. I once served Oduduwa in Benin. Yes. I even served Kiniko in Abuja before his departure.
Really?
Even Ojukwu. Yes, I was his boy. Ojukwu was my master. I served him for 28 years before I retired.
The Queen of England will really, really like you. You know, you could be one of them. One of her servants.
That would be my pleasure, ma. Hi, God. Thank you. If you do this for me, I will do anything you want me to do.
It's nothing. It's nothing.
Hey. Honestly, if they told me that Obiadada will be the next PA, if I don't know bad for doing, I'm a liar.
Honestly.
I'm a big like you choke. In fact, I'm shocked. Ha!
I'm not able to imagine Obiadada, the closest to the person who is and then Queen Elizabeth.
Ne. Hey, but forget. That girl body na fire. You know see her skin.
Fine.
She too fine.
I get so fine.
You see the perfume? Did you perceive it?
That one won't kill me.
That perfume na special, na die.
God. It's only the smell, eh?
It was say I be Angelique. I just packed up like this. Can't carry this one. Hey, this village for not contain all of us. Me.
You know, see, as the feel himself. You don't even want to make anybody come close to her at all.
I beg, na busybody. Just the force himself. They do shakara panana. What in they even feel self? Hey, no worry. Let him just feel the most important person in this village. But no worry, I know how to feel some.
Of course. If na myself, I go feel myself. But how you want to do am now? Because you know if you travel without, go London without Tamu.
Nah, that won't be the problem. Small, I talk small. Now big problem be that. Now big problem. But no worry. They say, waiting, they don't know how they take do am. How they take do am.
I trust you.
Trust me now.
I trust you.
I know what I go do. Don't worry. I know what to do.
So how you want to am?
Don't worry. And as I go take do am. Don't worry yourself. Know how we 80 people for this village go London, go see Queen Eliza.
I trust you.
Me, we carry front, carry this bag, no go.
I trust you.
Are they crazy? Something they do me for head. Leave Obiada, I know I go treat her. I know how to arrange them.
No.
Don't worry. I just go think am. No. If I not go this London, I trust you. Are they crazy? I can't forgive you.
All this I brought for you from London. the Queen of England actually shopped for you all herself.
Sorry.
These are actually special. Huh? Yes.
So you mean that Queen of England shopped all this by herself for us, yes, including this drink?
Yes.
Yes.
No. Yeah. I saw love lie.
You say?
It's actually love lie.
Huh?
It's love lie.
Okay, it's actually love. I understand it. I understand it.
Tell me.
Mickey JT Pele.
Guinea-cook.
What's a mere? Or left line.
Oh, left line.
I'm gonna mind you.
When I'm Mabuno, we are near. When I'm on a left line. Hey! Metony Homaka. Metony Homaka, Homo Sogan.
Wow! I kiss it.
Hey,
love lie.
Jelly?
Yes.
I want to ask you one thing. You know, the other day you were making call.
Yes.
The Queen asked about me particularly. Huh? So I'm of the idea that she would like to see me. So when are we going to see her?
Oh, yes, actually, you're going with me to England to see the Queen of England soon.
We are going with you.
Sure. So we're going to see the great Queen of England.
Yes. She's indeed great.
Yes.
Look at the kind of great drink she gave me.
Love lie.
Love lie.
Auntie, please, I would like Obia Dada to take me to a local bar where they have palm wine. I would like to say something local.
Oh, okay, something local.
Yeah, like palm wine.
Okay, I understand it.
Yes.
I understand it very
Yes.
well. Obia Dada. Ma. We get the Rambabu. Take her to Isu Villa. Straight.
Isu Villa Resort.
Tell him it's my contact.
There's no problem.
It's my contact. Maka. Isu Villa.
Yeah.
You will love it. Anything you want. Not only the palm wine you're asking for.
Oh.
Fish. Barbecue fish. Barbecue chicken. Barbecue snail. Everything is there. You will love it. And finally, you can enter the swimming pool.
Okay.
Even the lodging and accommodation is wonderful.
No.
Alright. Okay.
Yes.
So, Bedada,
Yeah.
we go.
I would have done that by myself.
No. Auntie, I didn't you hear it? Auntie, I.
Thank you, Auntie. Thank you.
I will take her there.
Oh, God.
Huh?
Once she changed to something better, we zoom off.
You mean I can't go like this?
No. There are so many young boys around. I think I had dog vam.
Oh.
Yes, you must
Okay.
do something better.
That's why I'm supposed to take her there. It's my job.
Uncle, I am her personal bodyguard, personal PA, personal assistant. The order came from above, from London, from Queen Elizabeth herself, and not from any local person around. So please, let me do my job.
Obia Dada, carry on, my dear.
Thank you.
Okay. You all are so funny. Yeah.
You all are so funny.
Funny.
That means we are honey.
I say we funny, I'll give you a push.
Funny.
I will funnel. I get job on
I be London captain, your visa dey my hand. I said I am London captain, visa through my hand. Whatever you want to, it dey my hand here. Whatever you want to, it dey my hand here. Oh.
Obia Dada nwam. Hi. Obia Dada nwam.
Mama,
Nwanjeko.
you look different.
Nwanjeko. Nwa emebie n'ihu m. Chai. Ebe anya gị nọ. Nwanjeko.
And you look good.
Thank you.
This is how you should be dressing. Because very soon your dress mood, your dress code will change. You start dressing like London. Overall, they add small fly, winter jacket, and all. I trust you. Sit down, please, guys. Excuse us.
I be London captain, your visa dey my hand.
So how have you been?
Fine. Hey! Personal assistant to London Ritonia.
Number one.
Hey!
My dear.
Hey! I can't even go out again. When I go out, everybody wants to associate themselves with me. Eh? One wants to shake me. The other one wants to carry my load. Other ones are fighting because of me. Nam. All this is just because of you. Hey!
Mama. Remember I was telling you before that God has his way of blessing people. You see it? It's not the person that first of all take off. They first reach where they go.
At all.
Oh, life is all about a gradual process. One after the other. Then can you see it? You're talking about yourself. Just go around. People fight because they want to just have a handshake with me.
You see?
I was in one I was in working better.
Obiada. What about your madam?
Oh, my madam is fine. She was sleeping when I left the house. Okay. She asked me to get her some fruits. And you know, all these ladies that return from London, they love junk food well. Yeah. They like campus, any other thing.
Hey.
So I say, make I carry motor, come out. I will do quick and go back to the house before she wake up.
You mean you discuss with your madam freely?
Who am I to her? I am her personal PA, for crying out loud. I should discuss with her. In fact, I do even eat with her from the same plate. There's something she brought home. All these London chocolates. No, the thing. If sometimes she will croak on him, don't worry, Mama. When it's time for that, I will do it. All of us are going to London, of course, you know that.
I know. Hey!
Oh my God.
Hey, nah, we are lifted already.
Oh, so lifted.
God has lifted us up.
Pompa Tiwago.
Shy.
I know you know. I said, happy Kalamo. When I know him no fe. When I know my Susie. Hey, poto no fe. Hey, happy. Mama, where are my other boys, the two of them?
They said they were hungry, that they want to go and eat. That was what they told me, and then...
What? They want to go and do what? How dare they live without my instructions? How can they leave this compound without my orders? Who asked them to leave? Did I give permission? Is that what they will do in London? When Queen Elizabeth says stay here, they will leave. Even if they are hungry, they should wait until I am back. They should wait until I give orders. What is wrong with them? See, if those boys do not take care, if care is not taken, I am going to sack them and replace them with other people who are interested. What nonsense! How can they leave this apartment? Who did they leave you for? What if people come in here and vandalize the whole house? What will happen to you? Come on! You have a London personality, so you need to be guided.
Yes.
What nonsense! Why would they leave the house without my orders? Who asked them to leave? How would they leave this house without telling me? I don't like it. I don't like it at all. See, let me tell you. I hate it when people take me for granted. I am going to deal with them seriously. What nonsense! Do they know who I am?
Sorry.
Guys!
London Captain!
Will you come here fast?
I be London captain, your visa dey my hand.
I hope all of you heard what I was ranting about. I hope you guys heard what I'm saying.
Yes, London Captain.
The next time any of you will leave this compound without my orders, I am going to fire the person. Is that understood?
Yes, London Captain.
Chest out.
I be
Out.
London Captain, your visa in my hand. I said I am London Captain, visa through my hand. Whatever you want to, it in my hand. Yeah. Whatever you want to, it in my hand. Yeah. Oh. I be London Captain. There's no two ways about.
Where are you guys coming from? Speak at once. Where are you coming from?
Sorry, sir. We got hungry. We've not eaten anything for a long time. We're almost fainting, so we decided to go get something to eat. That's all, sir.
Praise the Lord.
Hallelujah.
Praise the Lord.
Hallelujah.
My boys got hungry and they left their duty post because they were hungry. Just listen to yourself. Just listen to yourself. Who does that? You left my mother in the house. What if they kidnap her?
Well, Captain, since
Will you shut your mouth? The next time I am talking, you open this your local capiton to talk back at me. I will blow off your teeth.
Yes, Captain.
You stupid imbecile.
Yes, Captain.
Damn you.
Yes, Captain.
How dare you do such a thing? Are you alright? Who in his rightful sense will do the same thing? I employed you people to work for me and not go eating when on duty. Even if you're hungry, you're almost dying, there's no need eating. Go to London and ask about Queen Elizabeth. She eats only once in a day. She don't eat from morning till in the night. Yes! I expect you people to do the same. You are traveling to London to work with civilized people and not uncivilized people. So you must behave yourselves. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, Captain.
Have I made myself clear?
Yes, Captain.
Hold your ears. The next time you will try this rubbish, I will throw your meat to the vulture. Now repeat after me. The next time you will try this.
The next time you try this.
You talking back at me?
Yes, Captain.
The next time you will try this.
The next time you will try this.
You're trying my patience.
Next time we try this.
The next time you will try this.
The next time we will try this.
You will regret it. I am moving this car right now. Place your two hands on this car and run after us. Make sure you do not leave this car. As fast as this car is running, that is how I want your foot to run. If you dare lose this car, or I get home before any of you.
I be London Captain, there's no two ways about it. Whether you like it or not, oh, Captain be your guy. London, London, all of us must go.
All right, thank you very much. This is Chief Imo and his crew. We beg all of you to keep subscribing to our channel, Chief Imo Comedy on YouTube. As you do that, God will bless you. God will bless you. Hip, hip, hip. Hooray! We love you all.